Hi Joanne, happy birthday! Wishing you a year filled with love, laughter, and blessings beyond measure. Happy birthday!
Always be happy. Love you. Happy birthday.
Bye!
Hi Joanne, happy birthday! I know naman na you're so very happy today kasi lahat naman ng
Hi Jo, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health, more blessing na darating pa. Happy birthday.
Blessed happy birthday, Joanne. I pray that God grants the desires of your heart and bless every works of your hand. And always trust the Lord and not...
Happy birthday, Bogs. Maraming salamat sa binibigay ng tulong. Huwag ka namang stress sa akin. Kausapin mo na ako. Tawagan mo na ako. Happy birthday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Jo. Miss na po kita. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Mama Jo. Thank you po sa pagiging mabuting ina ng asawa ko at pagiging mabuting apo ng anak ko. Maraming salamat po. God bless. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Happy birthday po.
Thank you po din po, Mama Joanne, kasi yung dinala niyo po kami ni Ate Gab sa swimming pool, ang lamig at ang sarap na ligo doon kahit ano po, kahit mainit, kahit po lamig. Happy birthday po. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Joanne. I love you. God bless. Bigyan kami Jollibee.
Happy birthday, more birthdays to come, and good health, and maraming salamat.
Hi, Boganay. Greetings from Vietnam. I just want to greet you a happiest birthday. Wishing you all the best in life, more blessings, and continue blessing to your family. Enjoy life. Make the most of it. Life is too short. So enjoy it.
Happy birthday, Joanne. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw na to. Wish ka, kabugera ka ng taon. Hindi ba kami nakarating dyan? Sana magkita tayo soon. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Love you.